Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix there was an error while loading your insights. Try again later on Instagram. So if you are also going through this kind of issue while viewing your real insights, then this video will surely help you to resolve the problem. So this time many users are getting this kind of error while viewing their insights. So what you need to do is first method is to restart your device once and then check if the issue is fixed. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So once your phone restarts, log in to Instagram app and then check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, then next is to check your Instagram server status. What you need to do is to just go to the Google and search for Instagram down detector, and here you will see if there is any server downtime going on. If yes, you have to wait for some time and then try to check. If there is server downtime, you can see the latest reports or Instagram outages reported in last 24 hours. You simply have to check it. If there is any kind of issue, you have to wait for some time unless it comes back and then check if the insights is showing or not. If not, you are also suggested to force stop the app once and then check if the issue gets resolved. So for that, click and hold the icon over here. Now click on app info and then click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, you have to clear the cache as well. So for that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache. Once you've done this, now check if the insights are available or not. If not, you should also check whether the Instagram app is updated to the latest version or not. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for Instagram, and here you have to check if any update is available. As you can see, an update option is there. You simply have to click on update option and you have to wait for some time unless the app gets completely updated to the latest version. After it is updated, you have to open the app and then check whether the issue you are coming across is fixed or not. If not, then what you need to do is simply you have to report this problem to the Instagram support team. So for that, you have to first take the screenshot of the error that you are coming across, or you can simply go to the help center on Instagram. So launch Instagram app, free line. After that, go below. From here, you have to click on help, and after that, here you have to click on report a problem. Click on report a problem. Click on, and here you have to explain briefly whatever the issue you are coming across, and also whatever the screenshot you have taken, you can easily upload it. And after explaining the issue, click on send option. Now after sending the issue you have come across, wait for some time unless you get any response from the support team, and hopefully the issue will be resolved soon. But it's suggested, as the issue is faced by many users now, so you are suggested to wait for some time and then try it again and then check if the insights problem you're coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.